Welcome guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair this speaker, the JBL Charge Essential, with your Windows PC. So at first you have to power on the speaker by tapping once on the power button. Right now in the most cases your speaker will move to the pairing mode and this button will blink, but in my case it's not working, so I have to make it manually. When you have the same problem, tap on this Bluetooth button once. There it is. Right now we have to simply go for the settings on our Windows PC. Then we have to go for the settings. Right now go for the Bluetooth and the devices on the left list. And you have to enable Bluetooth by tapping right here on the switcher. And right now we have to select add a device in this place. Select Bluetooth. And right now, wait a little bit. As you can see, after a few seconds, JBL Charge Essential pops on the list. So click once on the speaker, and there it is. As you can see, right now we are successfully connected. So the last thing, you can just go for the sound settings on your device, and let me just click right that, open the sound settings, and just be sure that you switch from your internal speakers to your external JBL Charge Essential. And that's how you can connect the speaker step by step to your Windows PC. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.